Okay, in today's video, this is my WhimsiDaisi weekly planner spread in my big teacher planner layout. Again, I put my subjects across the left side, and across the top is the days and dates of the week. And in this spread, the colors are green and turquoise, as you can see. The inspiration came from her top and this sticker. She's just fabulous with her coffee and her little fur baby with that beautiful blue top on, and then the blue matched in this writing sticker here matched that. Repeat after me. I can do this. You guys, repeat after me. I can do this. Okay, I heard you. Also, the inspiration came from this Happy Easter sticker up here for Sunday the 12th. And of course, Good Friday is on the 10th. And that's my day for self-care. Self-care, shopping list, reminders of things I need to do, and any entertainment that I will do for that day. Also, any weekend warrior projects that I need to do, any to-do lists for Saturday or Sunday here. This is for both Saturday and Sunday projects. Some more to do, some don't forget to do, which I tend to forget. Any the participations of any collabs that may be coming up, so I have to make sure that I prep for those and get those out. Just me practicing my lettering for all of this. Love life. And it says, do what you love, be grateful and thankful. And then anything I need to take care of for next week, or jot down notes for next week. And this here is a beautiful sticker. It says, beauty attracts the eye, but personality captures the heart. And that's real life. You can be as pretty as you want to be. If your personality is stank, nobody wants to be around you. So we need to make sure that our personality is always reflective, first and foremost, before our beauty. That's just my tip. And this one is, today is going to be great, which every day is going to be great in my book. Some more practicing of my lettering and I'm off on this day, so I can get a lot of stuff done on Monday the 6th. And it says to do all the things. This is going to be like my catch-up day, and I'll make Sunday my filming day and Monday my catch-up and filming day. And in here, if you're wondering, these are my cleaning zones. I have zones 1 through 7. Zone 1 is living room, zone 2 is kitchen, zone 3 is dining, zone 4 is my office, zone 5 is the main bathroom, zone 6 is the master bathroom, and zone 7 is my master bedroom. So, and over here is my work which is 9. I work 9 to 4, Tuesday through Thursday. And this is Inspired Design with Jae. All the things that I need to do for Inspired Designs with Jae. And WhimsiDaisi, all the spreads and covers that I need to do this week here. And Impresse hair, this is my hair care line, which is all the things that I need to do here. If you'd like for me to demonstrate the product, please leave me a comment below. If you're interested in buying any of my shampoos, conditioners, oils, serums for the scalp, which is lightweight and non-greasy. If you like a clarifying shampoo for your hair, I have that as well. The product line consists of 6 pieces: the clarifying shampoo, the moisturizing shampoo, the hair mask, which is a rich conditioning treatment, which can be used daily. It consists of a hydrating bioamino serum, which is weightless and non-greasy, and it consists of my bio sheen, which is bioamino hair sheen, that's also lightweight and non-greasy, and it consists of the silk press enricher, which helps silk press the hair, and it provides a weightless, non-greasy, strengthening and bioamino technology enriching formula that's patented, and it is just a wonderful product for those who want to press the hair that's natural. You can also do that with that, and it will still spring your curls back into life. The silk press lasts up to 12 shampoos, so it can be washed out. Of course, if your hair gets wet, you're going to revert back. It's not something that's permanent. This is a reverting product. This is for those who want to transition out of relaxers into their natural hair without any damage or stripping. It is very moisturizing and strengthening. And if you don't want to get relaxers anymore, this is the product for you, as it strengthens your hair as you're transitioning from a relaxer to your natural hair. Of course, if you have natural hair and you want to do a straight style, this is also perfect for you. Say you're going on vacation and you want a straight style while you're on vacation. This will help with that, keep your hair straight and non-reverting during any heat, any weather, inclement weather that's extremely warm, where of course if you sweat, it's going to curl up just like your relaxer. It does that. It's the same thing, but this is not a relaxer. It is 100% formaldehyde free, and it is very strengthening to the hair. A lot of the ingredients are oils and plant-based from the rainforest, and just a lot of rich ingredients for the hair. I tested this product for 5 years on myself as an African American woman, indigenous woman to this planet. I said I was going to stop saying that because I am from here. I'm not from Africa, as most people think they are, and you could very well be, because there are some documents out there that says not millions of us came here, but about 95,000 to about 300,000 was shipped here, not the millions that they say happened. A lot of us was already here. But anyway, I digress from that. what else? The product is just amazing. I will leave the website where you can purchase in the description box if you so choose to. And I'm still working with my clients for the magazine. Hopefully that is out by the time I do this video. I am pre-recording some things, so because of time and all the things that I got going on. So if there's an update, a clip will be attached to this video. And what else? Hopefully the ban on the beer flu is lifted and we can move about like normal human beings again, as our birthright intended us to be and required of us to be. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope I've inspired you to start planning and spreading, doing spreads for your life, to get things in order in your life if that's something that needs to happen. And I hope you've learned something from me. Again, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, hit the notifications bell, share, and give me a comment if you want to know more about anything that I've done here, and be productive and make it happen. Have a great one.